Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious sweet potato leaf sauce that you can serve with rice or anything you like. So give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add my meat in my pot with the fish and add a little bit of salt and let that cook. Then I'm going to mix together some onions and green onions, and also you can also add some hot peppers if you like. You can do this in a blender or any type of food processor you have. Then mix that well and set aside. Now, once the fish is cooked, I'm going to remove it. And then I will add my sweet potato leaf. These are fresh sweet potatoes. I already washed them and sliced. So I'm going to add in my pot and cover with a lot of water. This is not a quick recipe, so you have to take time to cook your sweet potatoes. Then I will add my onion mixture. And I will also add some palm oil. You have to choose a very good palm oil in this recipe to have a delicious sweet potato. Then I'm going to add my favorite smoked fish, which we call this bonga in Guinea, and it's also called heron fish. It's dried and grounded. I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to prepare my fresh fish that is already cooked. I will remove all the bones and cut into small pieces. Once the fish is ready and the sweet potatoes is a bit cooked, I'm going to add my cooked fish in the soup. If you love my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious African recipes. Then I'm going to add my hot peppers. I will then add some salt to taste. If you like cubes, you can also add your cubes. I always add my homemade seasoning. I also have some homemade bouillon cube. You can check it on my channel for the recipes. Here I'm going to divide my okras in two. I will add the first part and then I will keep two for the end of the recipe. I'm going to add some of my okras. I will let that cook for a few minutes. Then I'm going to remove my hot peppers before I start mixing. So I'm going to mix everything together and let this cook until the liquid is almost absorbed. Now, meanwhile, I will prepare the remaining okras. This time I'm going to slice them very thinly because I will add this at the end of the recipe. Once everything is ready and the liquid is almost absorbed, I will add some okras at the end and leave this to cook for a few minutes. Then I will mix everything together and it's ready. You can serve this with rice or fufu or anything you like.